Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to activate credit card in Tesco. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, where can you find Tesco? You can find Tesco on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or even the web application, which of course I'm using right now. So how do you create an account on Tesco? Pretty simple. Launch on the browser of your choice, and from the browser locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tesco.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get in there, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that let's hop into today's text, which is how to activate credit card in Tesco. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple tabs: sign out, store locator, contact us, help, and my account. So go ahead and click on my account tab. And once you click that, is going to take you to your accounts window. Hello Favor, hello Tesco. Scroll the way down and down and down and down and no, not too down. But head over to find the orders category. So here we have orders. Under it says view orders and manage your plans and deliveries. And just right under it says order history, payment wallet, and delivery saver. So you're going to have to click on payment wallet. My account needs to be verified. Okay, so we're going to scroll the way down because Tesco is very tight on security. So, okay. Okay. Ta-da. So we're right here in this window. So how do you activate your credit card? Very simple. Go ahead and click on add a payment card, and when to click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have to enter in all the details embedded in your payments card or in your credit card. Note that this card will be added to the groceries wallet. So Tesco accepts Visa card, MasterCard, and American Express. So right here, you're going to have to add your card details. Your name on card, ensure it's correct. Your card number, expiry date, month and year, security code. And you're going to have to enter your billing address, street address. All these are optional, so you just won't have to add one. And town and city and postcode, country. If you want to save the card as your default, click on this checkbox. If you don't want to, check it out. And then the next one is add new card. So click on this add new card button once you're done filling out all of these. Okay, so once you click on add new card, that's how you'll be able to activate your credit card in Tesco. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.